To news at 1, read by Timmy Dayo Anthony. The Lagos State government has announced plans to officially launch the Omieko project, a landmark initiative aimed at transforming water transportation in the state on Friday, October 17 at the 5 Calvaries Terminal, Falamo. The project, spearheaded by the Lagos State Waterways Authority, LASWA, is a major step towards achieving a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient urban mobility system that aligns with the vision of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's administration for a modern and sustainable Lagos. According to the General Manager of LASWA, Damilola Emmanuel, the event will be attended by top government officials, development partners, key stakeholders in the transport and maritime sectors, and will feature a virtual presentation of the Omieko project and the ceremonial unveiling by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Emmanuel said the Omieko project is expected to redefine Lagos' water transport ecosystem through the deployment of over 78 high-capacity electric ferries, digital ticketing system, intelligent terminals, and enhanced safety measures. He noted that the initiative aims to significantly cut travel times, ease road congestion, and offer Lagosians a reliable and environmentally friendly commuting alternative. The Lagos State government has reaffirmed its commitment to deploying data-driven and technology-enhanced solutions to tackle parking challenges across the state. Speaking at the annual staff retreat of the Lagos State Parking Authority, LASPA, in Ikeja, with a theme From Parking Pains to Productivity Gains, the Commissioner for Transportation, Oluwaseun Osiyemi, commended LASPA staff for their resilience and professionalism despite the demanding nature of their work, which often bring them into conflicts with members of the public. According to the Commissioner, effective parking regulation remains a vital component of urban traffic management, and LASPA has continued to discharge its duties with commendable commitment. Oshiemi emphasized the need for a coordinated data management framework and the adoption of digital innovations to replace manual enforcement processes. The Commissioner stated that the state's vision is to transition Lagos into a modern, technology-driven smart city with seamless mobility and efficient service delivery. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Transportation, Olawale Musa, in his remarks, called on the members of the public to support government initiatives rather than obstruct law enforcement officials on assignment. The General Manager of LASPA, Adebisi Adelabu, announced the plans by the agency to commence the pilot phase of on-street parking in key areas such as Ikoyi, Victoria Island, Ikeja, Surulere, and would later extend to other areas of Lagos State. This initiative aimed to improve traffic flow, enhance productivity, and promote orderliness on Lagos roads. The Lagos State government has urged farmers across the state to utilize agricultural insurance as a vital risk management tool to ensure the long-term sustainability of the farming. This appeal was made by the Commissioner for Agriculture and Food Systems, Abisola Olusoya, during the two-day capacity building workshop organized by the Lagos State Agricultural Development Authority for selected farmers under the National Program for Food Security at the Fresh Food Hub, Idioro, Moshe. Represented by the Director of Agribusiness, Aramide Gonzalo, Olusoya noted that the theme of the training, strengthening farming communities through financial management, loan repayments, and agricultural insurance, transitioning from simple to mechanized farming, absolutely reflects the state's commitment to empowering farmers with tools for productivity, resilience, and business growth. The Commissioner hinted that in the future, proof of agricultural insurance may become a prerequisite for accessing government support. The National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA, in collaboration with state governments and development partners, has intensified efforts to vaccinate 106 million Nigerian children against vaccine-preventable diseases. Speaking during a road walk at the health show in Abuja, the Director of Disease and Control and Immunization at NPHCDA, Garba Rufai, described the exercise as part of a broad awareness campaign currently taking place across 11 states and the Federal Capital Territory. Rufai stated that the campaign is being implemented in collaboration with other health programs, including malaria and neglected tropical diseases, NCDs. It said several strategies have been deployed nationwide to ensure that the campaign reaches every eligible child. Rufai made it known that similar roadworks are being replicated across participating states, supported by state governments, the wives of governors, and local government chairpersons. He revealed that while the first phase of the campaign covers 11 states and the FCT, the next phase will commence soon. Akwa Ibom State Governor Umar Eno has stated that the use of computer-based tests (CBT) in the state recruitment will reduce the issue of godfather in the state civil service. The governor stated this after inspecting a CBT center for workers recruitment as part of efforts to upgrade the quality of its personnel in the state service for enhanced productivity. While describing the civil service as the engine room for governance, Governor Eno said the recruitment of workers through the CBT approach will make applicants more serious and prepare effectively for absorption into the civil service system. The State Commissioner for Science and Digital Economy, Frank Ekpeyong, commended the governor for his exceptional vision and passion to ensure merit, competence, and confidence in the state civil service for efficiency in service delivery. And also foreign news, Downing Street has announced that British Prime Minister Keir Starmer will join United States President Donald Trump at an international peace summit in Egypt on Monday, where the Gaza ceasefire plan will be signed. Starmer will be among 20 other world leaders in Sharm el-Sheikh, where the Egyptian presidency says the plan to discuss peace and stability in the Middle East. In Gaza, 8 groups are scaling up relief efforts. Hamas has until noon on Monday to release all Israeli hostages, and Israel is expected to release 1,700 detainees from Gaza and about 250 Palestinian prisoners. Meanwhile, Hamas has begun recalling its fighters to reassert control over Gaza, creating a high risk of internal fighting. And out to sports, Tottenham Hotspur Football Club has reportedly making inquiries about Nigeria's Flying Eagles winger Sonny Suleiman as coach Thomas Frank seeks to further strengthen his attacking ranks. The 19-year-old Suleiman only has 1 year left to run on his deal with AS Trentin, which both parties can choose to activate a 2-year extension in his contract to prevent him leaving on free transfer. According to report, Suleiman remains fully focused on his development in Slovakia, and he is doing his best not to let the ongoing transfer speculation affect him. He has registered 4 goals and 2 helpers in his first 30 appearances for the Slovenia side. Now, just before we go, keep left on a 2-way road to allow traffic from the opposite direction to pass on your right. You can follow us on like all our social media platforms. X at Traffic Radio 961. Facebook is Lagos Traffic Radio 961 FM. Instagram is Lagos Traffic Radio 961. Subscribe and watch our news and program on YouTube at Traffic Radio 961. And you can also visit our website on www.trafficradio961.ng. You can also visit Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM live on my Lagos app for timely update. Did you know that the Sanwo-Olu administration completed and inaugurated Ijeda Road Phase 1 in Ikorodu? You can get more details on Lagos State Government's website. And to end, and for contact with the newsroom, please send a message to info@trafficradio961.ng. That ends in this broadcast compiled by Kayode Mafolashiri. I am Dayo Anthony. Many thanks for listening.